For the next recipe, I'm going to be making enchilada rice. Now first make sure your Instant Pot is plugged in. Then you're going to take 2 cups of brown rice. I like to use the long grain brown rice, or if you don't like brown rice, you can use white rice too. Next you're going to add 2 1/4 cups of water. Next add 1 can of black beans. Make sure you rinse them and you drain them. Then add 1 15-ounce can of your favorite enchilada sauce. I liked red that's mild. Sprinkle a little salt on for taste. Then I added 1 teaspoon of cumin here. Now you're all done. Put your lid on, turn it, make sure you hear that little noise, and make sure it's on sealing so it'll actually cook. Now I'm going to push the rice button. Usually you can cook rice for 7 minutes. I'm going to bump mine up to 10 minutes because they're going to be inside of a tortilla, so I want them a little bit more mushy and soft. So I did quick release again, just releasing the pressure. Now as soon as the steam stops, I'm able to open up my Instant Pot. And don't be alarmed at first, there looks like a lot of liquid on top, but you're actually going to mix that in. Now as you're mixing, it's a good idea to grab a hot pad and hold on to your pan and mix. It will make your life a little bit easier. Now to put them together, I like to serve mine on tortillas. I also like to add a little bit of chicken, sour cream, avocados. Really whatever toppings you like, they will be delicious with.